Good morning, my dear brothers and sisters. In today's gospel, we've heard how Zechariah was chosen by Lot to prepare and to be of a service to the altar of incense. The altar of incense is but a good symbolism of intimacy and of having that deep presence of God in prayer and in communion with Him. At sa madaming pagkakataon na ay nakaranas tayo ng malalim, personal at totoong pakikitungo sa Diyos sa ating pananalangin. But more than that deep encounter with the Lord in prayer, we were given the symbolism of the incense. Kapag ka may insenso, may usok. At ano ho ba ang direksyon ng usok? Ang usok ay pataas. That a moment of prayer and encounter is but a moment for Zechariah once more, a given moment for Zechariah to pray and to raise things up to God. And we know so well what was that intention of Zechariah and Elizabeth, just like Manoah and of his wife as well, to have a child. Itinaas nila ang kanilang panalangin sa Diyos. At mabuti ang Diyos dahil bumaba naman sa kanila ang biyaya ng isang supling. Hindi lang ordinaryong supling, kundi supling na malakas, biyaya na punong-puno ng grasya, milagro na punong-puno ng presensya ng Diyos. Inside our sacristy where we prepare for the Mass, there is a portion there where our altar servers would prepare the incense, the turibol for the Mass. And there is this Latin inscription present there, which I wish to say in English, that says these words: "Let our prayer rise up before you like incense, and as this ascend in your sight, may your mercy come down upon us." Beautiful, isn't it? And it has been a personal practice when incense is used and when I incense the offerings during the offertory part of the Mass, I say those words: "Let our prayer rise up before like incense, O Lord, and as this ascend in your sight, may your mercy come down upon us." Pinapaalala po sa atin na ni Manoah at ng kanyang asawa, ni Elizabeth at ni Zacarias, na ang panalangin ay hindi lamang naririnig ng katabi natin ngayon. Ang panalangin ay hindi lamang po natin nalalaman ng ating sarili, ng ating mga kaibigan, ng social media and all. But prayer is raised up to God. Umaakyat ang ating pong panalangin sa Diyos. May insenso man o wala, nasaan man tayo o nagdito man tayo sa simbahang ito, lahat ng mga binubulong ng puso, umaakyat sa Diyos. At hindi lamang ito umaakyat sa Diyos, binababa niya sa atin ang awa niya sa atin. Binababa niya ang awa niya sa atin sa mga panalangin nais natin, sa milagrong kanyang ipapakita, sa mga pagpapala na tatanggapin ng ating mga kamay. Dahil paalala muli, umaakyat ang ating panalangin, bumababa naman ang awa ng Diyos sa atin. These are intense days of prayer before Christmas that we raise up to God many concerns, many prayers, concerns for ourselves, prayers for a dear one, prayers for a family, a particular intention for Christmas. But let us rejoice with that consolation. Our prayer is raised up to God. But let us also believe that these prayers will come down to us in the form of His mercy and in the graces God has prepared for us.